Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to cast on in knitting. The first step to do a long tail cast on knitting. Firstly, leave a generous yarn tail and pinch both yarn strands with both hands. Hold the yarn in each hand, bringing them together to form a loop. Hold the loop you've made into one hand. Then, with the other hand, grab the yarn attached to the ball and bring it behind the loop. And pull the strand of the yarn through the loop. This creates a slip knot, which is your starting point. Now, place the slip knot onto your needle and gently pull the yarn tails to secure it. Just hold on to the yarn tail attached to that ball in your left hand and give it a thumbs up. Swing your thumb behind the yarn and hook the yarn onto the thumb, keeping a firm grip. Just touch the needle tip to the front of your numb and slide the needle into the loop around your thumb. Now, hold the needle steady and grab the yarn attached to the ball with your right hand. Just wrap this yarn around the needle, going from the back to the front. Just pull the yarn down so it aligns with the loop on your thumb, and gently pull the loop on your thumb over the needle. Finally, just place the loop on the needle and pull down the yarn tail to tighten the new stitch. Just repeat steps 7 to 17 until you have desired the number of stitches on your needle. Just rewatch the video at the top a few times if you need a refresher, and consult this guide as you practice. If you found this tutorial helpful, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.